In this video, we'll discuss the cost of Customize AI, the latest and the most advanced vision correction technology of 2025 that helps you get rid of glasses. Customize with Foresight AI is an upgraded version of SmartSurf. It uses Schwind's Excimer laser machine, which is a CE marked approved. Every country has its own quality approval agency such as ISO in India, CE in Europe and FDA in US. These agencies provide approval only after meeting rigorous safety and effectiveness standards. Since Schwind is a German company, it has received CE approval. Moreover, Schwind's LASIK machines are most widely used worldwide. Their market share is 35%, making them extremely popular across the globe. 1 in every 3 machines is a Schwind, which shows how much trust doctors around the world place in this technology. Furthermore, Customize upgrades the SmartSurf software by adding AI-powered Foresight system, which creates a customized treatment plan based on each patient's unique eye structure. Customize uses topo-guided, ray tracing and wavefront technology which maps over 1 lakh points, whereas other systems like Innovize and Contura maps only 22,000 points. With the help of Customize with Foresight AI, you get extremely customized, safe and touchless treatment. Essentially, Customize can be considered as an upgraded version of SmartSurf. This technology not only analyzes the outer surface of the cornea but also measures total eye aberrations, enabling precise and personalized vision correction. Customize works with the latest Foresight treatment planning software, which is Schwind's AI-based treatment planning software. It creates a 3D map of the eye and calculates the result for each possible treatment method, suggesting the best treatment option. This means that the result of the surgery can now be visualized even before it's done, allowing the doctors to know exactly which treatment will deliver the rays more accurately to retina and choose the best option for you. It also gives patients confidence that their post-surgery result will be great. This latest technologies come with many other advanced features such as maximum tissue saving, meaning it preserves the maximum strength of the corneal tissue, a smooth corneal surface, and dynamic cyclotorsion adjustment, making it highly precise and accurate. With Foresight, all these features are not yet offered in any other LASIK machine till now. Additionally, this technology is the fastest in the world. Tasks that takes minutes in other technologies are completed in seconds in this machine. There are many other technologies available in the market such as Silk, Smile, Innovize, etc. But they offer far fewer features compared to Customize, and their cost ranges from 1 to 1.5 lakhs. On the other hand, Eyemantra offers this latest and best technologies for just 47,000 per eye. So friends, don't wait. If you also want to get rid of glasses with the latest AI-based technology, call our helpline number today to book a free consultation. If you have any questions regarding the surgery, feel free to ask us in comments.